Do this, and no kidney patient will ever lose a kidney again. Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Kidney problems can be overwhelming. The fear, the uncertainty, the never-ending doctor visits. It can leave you feeling powerless. But what if I told you there was hope? What if I told you that losing a kidney doesn't have to be your story? In this video, we're diving into the powerful steps every kidney patient should know to protect their kidneys and never lose them. There are proven ways you can take control of your kidney health and avoid the worst-case scenario. We'll talk about practical, science-backed methods that don't involve complicated medical jargon, but are easy, actionable, and, most importantly, life-changing. So, relax, and let's get real about how you can keep your kidneys functioning at their best. You won't want to miss a single tip because every single step is crucial. Your health and your future are worth it, aren't they? Let's get started. First things first, let's take a moment to understand why kidney problems are such a big deal. Our kidneys are like the unsung heroes of the body. They work day in and day out filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and keeping our systems in check. When the kidneys start to struggle, it's not just a minor inconvenience. It's a serious issue that can lead to life-threatening complications. The scary part is, many people don't even realize they have kidney issues until it's too late. By then, they're staring down the barrel of dialysis, or worse, complete kidney failure. But that doesn't have to be you or anyone you love, because once you're aware, you can take steps to stop that damage in its tracks. Awareness is your first line of defense. Knowing your risk factors, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, family history, or obesity, can help you stay ahead. So, let's tackle this together and turn this narrative around. And here's how. Step 1. Hydration. Here's something simple that has a monumental impact on your kidney health. Water. We've all heard it before, but are we really doing it? Drinking enough water is one of the most important things you can do to keep your kidneys functioning at their best. Why? Because water helps flush out toxins that would otherwise build up and cause damage to your kidneys. Think of your kidneys like a filter. The more hydrated you are, the easier it is for them to do their job. Dehydration is like throwing sand into that filter, causing it to clog up and break down over time. But here's a tip most people don't know. It's not just about drinking water. It's about drinking the right water. Avoid sugary drinks, excessive caffeine, and other diuretics that can dehydrate you even more. Start with a goal of 8 glasses a day and adjust based on your activity level. If you exercise a lot or live in a hot climate, you'll need more. Your kidneys will thank you. Step 2. Eat kidney-friendly diet. Food is medicine, especially when it comes to your kidneys. If you want to protect your kidneys, it's time to take a closer look at what's on your plate. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight, but small changes can make a massive difference. The key here is to cut back on sodium, processed foods, and excessive amounts of protein. These are the silent culprits that sneak up on your kidneys and cause damage over time. Instead, opt for kidney-friendly foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins like fish and chicken. One pro tip: learn to love your herbs and spices. They add flavor without the sodium overload that can cause high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney damage. Your meals don't have to be boring or bland. They just need to be smart. Step 3. Keep blood pressure and sugar under control. High blood pressure and diabetes are 2 of the biggest causes of kidney failure. The good news? Both are highly manageable with the right lifestyle choices. Keeping an eye on your blood pressure and blood sugar levels is crucial to protecting your kidneys. Here's what you need to do. Get regular checkups with your doctor and monitor these numbers closely. If your blood pressure or blood sugar is creeping up, take action immediately. Whether that's adjusting your diet, getting more exercise, or taking medications as prescribed, don't wait until it's too late. And speaking of exercise, this takes us to Step 4. Exercise for kidney health. We all know exercise is good for us, but did you know it can also save your kidneys? Regular physical activity helps control your blood pressure, manage your weight, and improve circulation, all factors that support kidney health. The great thing is you don't need to spend hours in the gym to see benefits. Even just 30 minutes of walking, swimming, or cycling a few times a week can work wonders. The key is to stay consistent. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Your kidneys will love the increased blood flow and reduced strain. Exercise doesn't just improve kidney function. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall mood and energy levels. So, whether it's yoga, dancing, or even gardening, the important thing is to keep moving. Plus, the stress-relieving benefits of exercise can lower your blood pressure. So you're hitting two birds with one stone. Step 5. Reduce stress. Here's one you might not expect: stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, including your kidneys. Stress raises your blood pressure, increases inflammation, and can even impact your diet and exercise habits. All things that are crucial for kidney health. So, what can you do? Take a deep breath and make time for relaxation in your daily routine. Whether it's meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or simply unwinding with a good book, find something that helps you de-stress. Your mind and body are more connected than you might think. Also, never underestimate the power of social connections. Spending time with loved ones, talking things out, or just having a laugh can reduce stress hormones and increase feel-good chemicals in your brain. Your mind and body are more connected than you might think, and keeping stress levels in check is just another way to safeguard your kidneys. Step 6. Regular checkup. Here's a golden rule: don't wait until something is wrong to see your doctor. Regular checkups and kidney function tests can catch problems early when they're most treatable. If you're at risk for kidney disease, whether due to family history, high blood pressure, or diabetes, stay on top of your health. You wouldn't ignore a check engine light in your car, right? Think of your regular doctor visits as your body's check engine light. The earlier you catch a problem, the easier it is to fix. Don't gamble with your health. Be proactive. Here's a bonus tip: losing a kidney isn't something that just happens overnight. It's often the result of years of silent damage building up over time. But here's the empowering truth: you have control over so much of your kidney health. With the right habits, you can protect your kidneys, keep them functioning, and avoid the nightmare of dialysis or transplant. The power is in your hands. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll be taking huge strides towards kidney health and longevity. Don't wait until it's too late to take action. Share this video with anyone you know who could benefit from this information. It might just save a life. So, do this, and no kidney patient will ever have to lose a kidney again. Taking these steps will give you control of your kidney health and empowered to make the changes that will protect one of your body's most vital organs. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and stay tuned for the next video. See you there.